The 944K control layout is very similar to all other K-series loaders. The largest difference is the accelerator pedal control on the 944K hybrid loader. This pedal controls vehicle speed and torque when the FNR is placed in forward or reverse. The vehicle will automatically control the engine speed dependent upon load. When the FNR is placed into neutral, the accelerator pedal will control the engine speed. While the 944K has dynamic braking capability through the electric drives, it still has traditional service brakes at each corner of the machine. The brake pedals control the service brakes. They do not affect the dynamic braking of the electric drives. To take advantage of the dynamic braking, the operator simply needs to have the coast control setting enabled and remove their foot from the accelerator. This will be covered more in depth later in the video. The 944K has 4 speed ranges that the operator can use to control the machine's maximum speed, as well as 2 auto speed control settings. To select the speed range, the operator can select up or down using the buttons on the left-hand joystick. Selecting each speed range will set a maximum speed for the machine. For example, if the machine is limited to the 3rd speed range, the machine will only travel up to 14.9 miles per hour. There are 2 auto speed control settings, 1D and 2D. Operating in the 1D setting will provide the operator with the greatest level of torque at low speeds and will travel up to the speed range the operator has set. Auto 2D limits low-speed torque to the 2nd speed range. Running in this setting is useful in applications that do not require all of the machine's low-speed torque. However, running in this setting when maximum rim pull is required may cause the machine to struggle when loading the bucket. The operator can also use the quick shift button on the bucket control to drop the speed range command. This is useful when approaching the work pile. Pressing the quick shift button will slow the machine using dynamic braking. The operator does not need to remove their foot from the accelerator during this operation. The quick shift may also be used in the 2D setting to drop to the 1st speed range if the operator needs additional wheel torque. The 944K hybrid drive system features an advanced traction control system that controls wheel spin of all 4 tires independently. If slip is detected at any of the 4 tires, torque at the spinning tire will be decreased. This system helps to reduce tire wear, increase traction, and decrease operator fatigue. The system is always enabled. The 944K may be operating in a normal or production setting depending upon the application requirements. It is recommended to operate the machine in the normal setting to maximize the machine's overall efficiency. Performance mode may be used when an operator requires maximum hydraulic cycle times and production. When operating in normal mode, the machine will automatically select engine speed from 1200 to 1800 RPM depending upon the load. When placed in performance mode, the engine will run at a constant speed. The operator may toggle between 1800 RPM, 1500 RPM, and 1200 RPM to suit their production requirements. Coast control setting dictates how the machine will behave when the operator removes their foot from the accelerator. With coast control off, the machine will behave similar to a conventional torque converter-equipped machine when the accelerator pedal command is removed. The machine will just gently roll to a stop. When coast control is enabled through its 3 settings, the electrical motors at the wheels become generators, sending energy back to the engine, which may be used to power the hydraulics and other auxiliary systems on the machine. Excess energy is dissipated through a bank of brake resistors located in the cooling package. The higher the coast control setting corresponds to the braking aggressiveness. At the highest setting, the machine will behave similar to a hydrostatic machine, slowing down aggressively when removing the accelerator pedal command. It is recommended to use the maximum coast control setting. Doing so helps to improve brake component life, increase productivity, and fuel efficiency. Rim pull control limits torque to the wheels when the machine is in the first speed range. This may be beneficial when operating the machine in loose or slick conditions. The machine has a standard traction control system that does a very good job at controlling individual wheel spin. If wheel spin is still occurring, it may be necessary to enable rim pull control. Each incremental setting of rim pull control decreases rim pull by 6%. All 4 lights on results in a 24% reduction in rim pull. In hard-packed conditions, it is recommended to turn rim pull control off. If running with rim pull control on in this application, the machine may become slow to load the bucket, reducing productivity. The 944K uses an interim Tier 4 engine with a diesel particulate filter. During operation, this filter is collecting soot and ash, which over time will need to be cleaned from the filter. The process of cleaning soot from the filter is called exhaust filter cleaning or regeneration. The 944K is capable of cleaning the filter passively, which means that when the machine is working, there is enough heat being generated to clean the filter. If the machine is operating in cold environments, increased idle time, or at low loads, the machine may need to enter an auto cleaning. This will occur completely, automatically without the operator needing to take any action. An indicator light will illuminate when an auto cleaning is active.